Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of the Data Lemur SQL interview questions. We're gonna continue from what we did previously and try and build and increase our skill set. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get right to the video. We're gonna do the Tesla unfinished parts question. Cool. So for this question, they want us to write a query that determines which parts have been assembled but not finished. Okay, cool. Let's look at the table. So for this one, there's just one table, so there's no merging. Maybe there's a self-join, we don't know yet. Gotcha. So if there's no finish date, then it means it's not finished. And I'm assuming the assembly step has to be at least 1 or greater, so I'm going to filter that too. So what the output should look like is part and assembly step. Okay, gotcha. So let's do part, assembly, step. Did I spell that right? Yeah, I did. From parts assembly, where finish date is null and assembly step greater 0. Let's run this. Gotcha. So this is good. Gotcha. So this should be fine. Great. Okay. Now let's do the next question. It's about cities with complete trades from Robinhood. For this question, they want us to retrieve the top 3 cities that have the highest number of complete trade orders. So what this tells me is they want us to use a limit function because they just want the top 3. They also want us to sort it in a descending order because they want the highest number first. Let's see. There's 2 tables, users and trade, and so we're gonna have to do a merge. And there's a status column, so they want us to filter where the status is completed. Gotcha. So for this, we're gonna want the order ID from the trades table, where status equals to completed. And we're also going to merge this with an inner join to the users table. Sorry, just for formality. And then on u.userid equals to t.userid. And then we want to count this as an function. Sorry, we want to count this as an aggregate. And then we also want the city. That's from the users table. Trade, yep. So we're taking the city and the count of orders as total orders from the trades table, where we join it by user ID to the users table, and we filter by orders that were completed. We also want to group by and order by total orders descending, because we want the ones that have the most orders, and we want the top 3, so limit by 3. Great. So what we have here is we're taking the 2 columns that we are interested in, the city column from the users table and the order ID from the trades table, and we're counting the order ID based on the city. So for example, San Francisco has 4 orders that were completed, Denver has 2, and we are grouping it by the city because that's what we're aggregating it by. And then we're ordering it by total orders. We want it to start from the ones with the most orders. That's why we're doing descending. And we're limiting by 3. So we want the top 3. What if we did 4? We would have the top 4. But right now we only care about the top 3. So let's go back. Great. So there's a couple ways we could do this. We could do this by using a CTE, or we could use this by filtering or a subquery. I think case when or if else is probably the best way or the quickest way, so I'm going to do that. Let's do select case when device type is or equals to laptop, and then let's do then 1 else 0 as laptop views, and then we can do case when device type in tablet, phone. So this is tablet or phone, then 1 else 0 as mobile views. And then from viewership. Okay, and we want the sum of those columns. So let's do this. I need an N here. Great, so that should be it. Yep, that's it. This was pretty simple too, but it teaches us how to use if else. That's pretty cool. Anyways, that's all we have for now. If you guys like this type of content, feel free to leave a comment down below so that I can keep pushing out videos like this and we can all build our SQL skills together. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.